Hey everyone, want to link Google Analytics with Google Search Console? In this video, I'll show you how to connect both tools and analyze your website search performance step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Google Analytics account. Next, select the GA4 property you want to connect with Google Search Console. Now make sure your website is already verified in Google Search Console. Google needs to confirm that you own the website before the connection can be completed. Next, open the Admin Asterisk section in Google Analytics and find the Asterisk Search Console links asterisk option under the Product Links section. Click Link Asterisk and choose the Search Console property you want to connect. Review the available settings and select the web data stream that matches your website. Confirm the connection and complete the linking process. After linking is complete, open the Asterisk Reports asterisk section in Google Analytics and find the Search Console reports. Use these reports to understand how visitors find your website through Google Search, including search queries, landing pages, clicks, and user engagement. Next, compare your search performance data with your website behavior data to understand which pages are bringing valuable visitors. Finally, use these insights to improve your SEO strategy, create better content, and increase your website traffic. And that's how to link Google Analytics with Search Console. By connecting both tools, you can understand your search performance and make smarter decisions to grow your website. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.